Welcome my dear students. In this video means today we are going to study chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Wait a While Crocodile. In this chapter we are going to learn about crocodiles, mm, means the lifestyles of crocodiles, how they survive, where they survive, and how many species of crocodiles are there in this planet. Okay, so let's start reading. But before going to read this chapter, as I said, that whenever you get hard words or new words, you note down in your copy with the meanings. Okay, so let's start. Crocodiles are truly ancient creatures. They have been living on earth for millions of years. These reptiles also live remarkable long lives, reaching the age of 80 years. The crocodile's family is a fairly large one with many different species. Of these, only three species are found in India. So here is telling that crocodiles are truly ancient creature. Ancient creature means old creatures. Okay, whatever creatures are there in this earth, crocodiles are also oldest creatures, and they have been living on this planet millions of years. These reptiles means those animals प्रोड्यूस एग्स एंड हैच आफ्टर समटाइम्स, जो एग्स देते हैं और कुछ के बाद उनको हैच कर देते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रेप्टाइल्स एंड also remarkable long lives and reaching the age of 80 years like human beings. The age, how much we can't say that, no, they live around 30, 40 years, 50 years, 60, 70, 80, and 100, many of them, yes or no. Like crocodiles also, they means lives up to 80 years, and the crocodile's family is a firmly large one with many different species. So here is telling that crocodiles are many different species are there, so only three species are found in India. So in this India, in our country, how many species of crocodiles are there? Three crocodiles. One is mangar or mars, another one is salty, and the third number is gharial. So let's study about each that species of crocodiles. So first number is the mangar or mars crocodile. Is the most common crocodile found in India. Mangars are medium or to larger crocodiles, reaching 4 to 5 meters in length. So in this para, the talking about mangars, and it is the common crocodile found in India, and its length is 4 to 5 meters. Okay, and they are stocky. Stocky means शॉर्ट हैवी और स्ट्रॉन्ग. ये ज़्यादा ये नहीं है तो शॉर्ट होते हैं और बहुत हैवी होते हैं. ओके, एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग भी होते हैं. एंड हैव द बॉडी स्नॉट. स्नॉट मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ फेस एंड इंक्लूडिंग माउथ, जिसमें माउथ भी रहते हैं. उनके जो फेस का फ्रंट साइड, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्नॉट. दैट मैंगर्स आर फ्रेंडली and they look like they are always smiling. So these mangers means this type of crocodiles are friendly and they always look like they are giving smiling. They can live in any freshwater habitat. Habitat means the natural home, like fish. Usually fish, where they live in water. So like they also means that mangers live in a freshwater habitat, natural home. Now come to the next page. What is saying here? Now the salty or saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile in the world. Here is the second type of crocodile. So that is salty, and it is saying that it is the largest reptile, as I said already the meaning of reptile, yes or no. So it is the largest reptile in the world. It can grow to a length of 7 meters and weight up to 1005 kilometers. See how big it is, yes or no. It can grow to length of 7 meters. ओके, ये 7 मीटर्स में लेंथ जो इनका होता है वो 7 मीटर्स हो सकते हैं, और इनका वेट कितने हो सकते हैं ना 1000 मीन्स 1500 अराउंड. ओके, एंड दिस क्रोकोडाइल कैन लिव इन वेरी सॉल्टी वाटर एंड इन फ्रेश वाटर टू. ये जो क्रोकोडाइल होते हैं ये कहाँ लिव करते हैं, कहाँ रहते हैं ना ओनली सॉल्टी वाटर में. ओके, और फ्रेश वाटर टू. Salty are considered the most intelligent of all crocodiles and the most dangerous too. ये जो this type of crocodiles considered बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, ये बहुत ही दिमागी भी होते हैं, और it is very dangerous also. They are territorial. They guard their area that they live in and usually do not let others use it. Means they are very territorial. Territorial means प्रादेशिक, and they guard their area where they live. जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं उनको वो प्रोटेक्ट करके रखते हैं, और usually do not let others use it. और ये means usually ये वो जहाँ जिस एरिया में रहते हैं वो उनको छोड़ नहीं देते हैं, कि वो उसको लीव नहीं करते हैं कि अदर्स आके उसी जगह में रहें. इन इंडिया सॉल्टी आर फाउंड इन वेस्ट बंगाल, उड़ीसा एंड द अंडमान एंड निकोबार island. Means in India where we can found this kind of crocodile na West Bengal, Pashchim Bengal, Odisha and the Andaman and Nicobar island. Okay, ये 4 place island. So these 4 places are there where we can found the salty crocodiles: West Bengal, Odisha, Andaman and Nicobar island. Okay, so next is that gharials have long, slim jaws, blazing eyes and a shiny greenish yellow body. Here is the another species, mean third number species is that gharial. So how is this crocodile? Now it is long, slim jaw means उनकी जो क्या बोलते, Jaws means in Hindi word jabra, the part of mouth, and blazing eyes and shiny greenish yellow body. तो ये means what is the color of its body na yellow color. Okay, and the gharial gets its name from the ghera or pot shaped structure on its snout. The snout of the gharial changes shapes throughout its life, becoming longer and similar as it grows older. Okay, dear students, you can see this image. This is the image of gharial crocodile. Okay, so what is saying here in this para? Now it's changes its shape that throughout its life, becoming longer and slimmer as it grow older. जब ये कभी क्या होते हैं लॉन्गर भी हो जाते हैं, बहुत बड़े हो जाते हैं, और जब ओल्डर हो जाते हैं तब ये क्या होते हैं स्लिम फिगर का हो जाते हैं ना. सो घैरियल्स आर वेरी रेयर and are found only in India, Nepal and Bangladesh. So in this type of crocodiles where we can found, now we can found Nepal and Bangladesh in India. So they need special habitats. I said that natural home, and they need special habitat. So they can live only in big clean freshwater rivers with many sandbanks. Gharials eat only fish. they can grow up to 5 or 6 meters. So what that gharial crocodiles, what they eat? Now they eat only fish, and they can grow up to 5 or 6 meters. Sandbanks means sandy areas in the middle of the rivers or sea. Okay, yeah, so there also they can live. Now come to the next page, that is 36 number page. Okay, all crocodiles are cold blooded and get a part of their energy from the sun. Here is saying that all crocodiles means जितने crocodiles होते हैं उनका क्या होते हैं, कोल्ड ब्लडेड होते हैं. ब्लड क्या होते हैं, बहुत ही कोल्ड होते हैं. एंड गेट अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर एनर्जी फ्रॉम द सन, और वो सन, फ्रॉम द सन दे गेट energy. Therefore, busking is important for them, especially in winter. But sometimes their skin gets so hot in summer that they spend a large part of their day entirely in cool water. Busking means that lying in the heat of the suns. In the winter season, what they are doing, they are lying down under the sun, and they get energy from the sun, especially in winter time. Okay, but sometimes their skin gets so hot in summer also that they spend a large part of their day entire in cool water. When in summer season, when their body get means much hotter, that time what they do now, they spend their life in the cool water. Crocodiles may appear slow and lazy, but they are actually quite fast. क्रोकोडाइल बहुत ही स्लो भी होते हैं, लेजी भी होते हैं, बट वो लोग क्या होते हैं, क्वाइट फास्ट होते हैं. On land, some of them have a high walk. They walk proudly, swinging their bodies from one side to the other, taking short steps. Crocodiles are best in water. They move scarcely below the surface without creating a repile. Their strong tails help crocodiles swim quickly and quietly. They can stay underwater for a long time, but they must finally raise to the surface to breathe. So what did you get from here? Now here is saying that they slow and lazy but quite fast. On land, they high walk. Okay, they walk means how they walk, now very high, and their that tails, it helps to take them steps. Crocodiles are best in water. वो बहुत क्या बेस्ट होते हैं ना वाटर में, वो बहुत जल्दी स्विमिंग करते हैं. Below the surface without creating a ripple means a small wave on the surface of a liquid. The strong tails help crocodiles swim. उनके जो स्ट्रॉन्ग टेल होते हैं ना, जो पूंछ होते हैं, वो क्या हेल्प करते हैं स्विमिंग करने के लिए, क्विकली एंड क्वाइटली. दे कैन स्टे अंडर वाटर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. अंडर वाटर में मीन्स पानी के नीचे वो लोग बहुत टाइम के लिए रह सकते हैं. बट दे मस्ट फाइनल रेज टू द सरफेस टू ब्रीथ. बट उनके जो वो जो ब्रीथ करते हैं वो वाटर के सरफेस में रख के करते हैं ना. Now come to the so all crocodiles have a strong sense of smell, hearing and sight. They can smell a dead animals from as far as 500 meters away. They also can see well in the night. Crocodiles eat birds, lizards, frogs, snakes, jackals and wild pigs, but their favorite food is fish. In this para is saying that crocodiles have strong sense of smell, hearing and sight. ये three senses they have very strong, and they can smell a dead animal also. जो मर जाते हैं एनिमल्स है ना, उनको भी वो क्या कर सकते हैं, स्मेल करके वो मीन्स जो फार अवे, अगर 500 मीटर्स अवे रहते हैं वो एनिमल्स, सो दे कैन ऑल्सो गेट दिस नॉलेज, एंड दे ऑल्सो कैन सी वेल इन अ नाइट। वो रात में भी वो बहुत अच्छे से देख पाते हैं। एंड व्हाट दे ईट ना, दे ईट बर्ड्स, लिजर्ड, फ्रॉग्स, स्नैक्स, जैकल्स एंड वाइल्ड पिग्स, but their favorite food is food. So what is the favorite food of crocodile? Fish. Female crocodile dig hole in the sand or mark mounds of leaves and twigs. They lay 40 to 60 eggs in these worms' nest and guard them. Crocodiles' eggs can take anywhere from 55 to 110 days to hatch, after which the mother gently carries the babies one by one to the water. The mother stays with the babies for a few weeks, and after that the family separated. Dear students, in this para is very important for you, so you can read it again. What is saying here? That female crocodiles dig holes in the sand, मीन्स धूल में वो लोग क्या करते हैं, होल करते हैं, टू हैच with leaves or twigs to hatch, and they lay 40, sorry, they lay means egg देने के लिए, and they lay 40 to 60 eggs in these worm nest। और ये जो worm nest उन लोगों ने होल करते हैं ना, उसमें कितने एग्स देते हैं ना, 40 to 60, and they after they guard their nest, and crocodile eggs can take anywhere from 50 to 110 days, मीन्स 55 से 110 डेज ये हैच करने के लिए टाइम लगते हैं। आफ्टर दैट क्या करते हैं ना, आफ्टर विच द मदर जेंटली कैरीज द बेबीज, फिर वो जेंटली बेबीज को कैरी करते हैं, फिर उनको वाटर में ले जाते हैं, एंड द मदर स्टेज विद द बेबीज फॉर अ फ्यू वीक्स, वो वाटर में छोड़ के उन लोगों को गार्ड करने के लिए उनके साथ कुछ वीक्स वहाँ पे गार्ड रहते हैं पानी के पास में, एंड आफ्टर दैट द फैमिली सेपरेट, फिर कुछ वीक्स के बाद वो लोग सेपरेट हो जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट पेरा, although they are predators and scavengers, many young crocodiles are killed for food by other animals. Some crocodile species are in danger of disappearing completely completely due to the destructions of their habitats by humans. People also kill crocodiles out of fear and use their body parts in medicines and to take things like shoes or handbags. Crocodiles are important members of the food chain. We must do everything we can to see that these fancy fascinating creatures live for many millions years more. In this para is saying that although that crocodiles are predator, means kill animals that kill and eat other animals, many young young crocodiles are killed by the other animals, and some are using for their body parts to use medicines and the that shoes and handbags. Crocodiles are important members of the food chain. We must do everything we can to see that these shells creatures live for many millions years more. So dear students, I hope that you have understood about mm, this chapter, then means about the crocodiles, how they live, and how many species of crocodiles you can studied over here. So I hope that you read this chapter again and again to learn understand more about it. So thank you very much, have a good day.